Ever found yourself pondering over those small pieces of scrap wood that seem to be of no use? Today, we're venturing into the realm of mini wood projects and discovering innovative ways to utilize those scraps. Welcome to the workshop, fellow creators. It's a familiar scene, isn't it? Ending up with bits of wood that appear too insignificant to serve a purpose. But hold on, these small leftovers have the potential to metamorphose into something truly unique. Now, let's delve into some functional and inventive projects that you can embark on with your scrap wood. First on the list, think about fashioning small decorative objects like coasters or magnets. These not only serve as wonderful gifts, but also give a personal touch to your home ambience. Moving on, what about creating jewelry holders or organizers? A handful of scraps and a dash of imagination can help you design practical and chic storage solutions for your accessories. And never underestimate the utility of small storage containers or boxes. These prove to be ideal for containing miscellaneous items like keys, coins, or stationery, ensuring your space remains tidy and orderly. From bookmarks to planters, decorations to mini furniture, the range of possibilities with scrap wood is limitless. So when you see a heap of leftover pieces next time, remember that a bit of creativity and resourcefulness can morph them into something truly amazing. Thanks for being with us today. We hope this encourages you to let your imagination run wild with your scrap wood. Don't forget to hit the like button, drop a comment, and subscribe for more woodworking tips and project ideas. Stay tuned to our channel for more inspiration and step-by-step guides on woodworking.